Origin has added a couple enhancements to CheckMate's reporting browser to make it easier to navigate and control, specifically when dealing with multiple samples. First, when you open the reporting browser, you know that you see all the data in an expanded mode. What if you want to look at the multiple samples for just one or a few measurements? You would have to manually collapse the samples for each measurement. This is way too time-consuming. Now, you can right-click at the segment level and collapse or expand everything. Then, just go in and expand the specific items that you want. The second enhancement is the ability to sort or order the data. You can see here that there appears to be no specific order to the samples. In fact, by default, they are listed in the order that the results files were loaded. If we right-click on the subgroup name at the bottom to edit the subgroup, we see all of the highlighted items in that subgroup. In this case, it is all of the samples. By clicking on the title field, we can change the way they are sorted and listed. Then the reporting browser updates automatically based on your sort method. Thanks for watching and have a great day.